Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to clear YouTube history on Android. Firstly, before I start with this explanational video, I need to mention that there is no difference with working on Android or working on iPhone. It is the same process with same simple steps. The first thing what you need to do when you get up into your YouTube application, you need to tap on your profile icon on your right upper side. Then you need to go for settings right down, and right after you get up into your settings, you need to go on the selection which is on the fifth side, which said history and privacy. Go for it and then go for clear watch history, the first selection. Go clear watch history again, then go on the second selection and then do it the same process. Go clear search history again, and with this guys we have cleared our YouTube history on phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.